I'm the new 3 and I change. White Iverson.
Hey guys, it's Marissa, and today I am going to be doing a foundation routine for you guys. Well, not just any foundation routine, a drugstore foundation routine. Also, if you guys are new here, hi, my name's Marissa. I do videos on makeup, hair, fashion, music, a bunch of random videos. So if you guys aren't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and join the family and hit the bell next to it so you know when we upload. But yeah, let's just get into the video so I can stop talking. I'm starting with my face prepped and primed, and my eyebrows are done. I have a video on how I do my eyebrows, so that will be linked down below, as well as my last video where I showed you guys what I do to prep and prime my face. Right now, I just started using the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I heard that this is comparable to the Tarte Shape Tape, which
definitely think that is true. I love this stuff.
This is what I use when I carve out my eyebrows, and I explain this in my eyebrow routine. Whatever I have left over on my hand, I normally just put under my eyes. We want to get rid of those. Put a little bit on my nose, my chin, if I have any like big blemishes. That's basically it, just like a very small layer. So the foundation that I've been using, and I do really like, is this Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer. A pump and a half-ish. And then I'm taking a beauty blender, really just like any beauty sponge. And this is dampened. And then I'm taking my Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, and then I just spray the sponge more. Spray a decent amount, and then I just go in. Hello, Snapchat, could we stop? But yeah, so I just go in and I just start spreading that on. And then every time I'm about to like dip back into my hand, I spray my sponge again.
And I just think it makes like all the difference.
And I make sure to go around my eyebrows because I normally have concealer around them. Alright, so after that, I'm going to go in with some more concealer.
Cake on the concealer. I'm here for concealer.
But anyway, I normally just take it right from the applicator. Under my eyes, always done like a triangle shape, but I just think it brightens up my face. And I go right down my nose, some on my chin, a little bit on my forehead. But I do the same exact technique.
But yeah, same technique.
So to set, I'm going to use some baking powder, and this is the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Ghost. And I hate the like cap of this. Put some in the cap here, and then I take my little sponge. I don't really bake under my eyes anymore because I think it gives them too much of like a powdery look. I like take some on a sponge and I just kind of like press it into my under eyes, but like not enough to where it's baking. It's kind of like my T-zone. I put a little bit on, and then I'm going to go in just like a flat top brush like this, and I just take a little bit on my brush, and then I kind of tap it on my hand so that it all gets into the brush, if that makes sense. I don't know.
Hopefully that makes sense.
And then I go like over my eyebrows, and I just kind of stipple this into my face, but like not a lot of it, you know what I mean? And I keep that little bit under my eyes. I'll go back and like kind of dust it away once I'm done doing my eye look.
So
I'm going to be using this, it's supposed to be a concealer stick, but obviously it's going to be a contour stick for me. I'll just take in like a straight line from like my ear back. I'm going to do a little bit right here-ish, and then I do my nose. Then I take a different, because we don't want to use the same one, a different sponge, and then this one is damp as well. And you know, I'm going to be taking some of my spray. This also is going to help blend it a lot easier. And I just kind of blend up when I do my cheeks, up and back. And we'll just do into my hairline. I don't really have like a big forehead. I mean, maybe I do, but I don't think I do. Oh my god, it's starting to rain. Are you kidding? Alright, okay, so after all that is blended, we're going to go back in with our powder, and this is when I kind of bake / like sculpt things out. So I take a little bit more. I go from like the middle of my ear and connect it to like the edge of my lip. On the side, I'll go a little bit below where we put it, and then I put some right in the middle. Alright, so at this point, we are baking our contour. We have a little bit under our eyes, but not a lot. And this is when I would go in and do whatever eye look I'm doing, and then I would come back to my foundation. So it's actually what I'm going to do. Hopefully the lighting doesn't change too much. I'm actually going to be filming a eye tutorial on my Snapchat. If you guys aren't following my Snapchat, make sure you're following. Yeah, make sure you guys are following my Snapchat. It'll be right here. Yeah, BRB. Don't turn off. Okay guys, so I'm back. I did my eye look. Again, follow me on Snapchat. Yes, the sun has set, so hopefully this lighting isn't too bad. So we're just gonna dust off this bake because it's really bothering me. But yeah, you can see how it gives like that sharp look, so if you don't want anything dramatic, maybe skip that. So next I'm going to be taking my blush. I love this blush. Physicians Formula Butter Blush. This one is in the shade Plum Rose. It's just like the perfect like everyday pink. Just put it on the apples of my cheeks. Then for my highlighter, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Golden Flower Crown. And I just take a little bit on like a crease brush like this. Just like a little bit.
Sometimes I go overboard, but I try to like not.
And then I put a little bit on like bridge of my nose, some on my cupid's bow. And then with like a little brush like this, I'll go on my cheeks. Yeah, I just go ham. I go in with my Mario Badescu spray, and this also helps kind of like set my face too. And just do literally everything the same. You can see it's just like way more intense. Yeah, so that's pretty much my whole face routine. And that's literally the whole look. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I mean, I really didn't do anything else. I just kind of finished my eye look and put on some lipstick. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday. And I will see you guys in my next video. So yeah. Peace out. Watch out, oh watch out.